Hey guys, it's Kevin with Bluegrass Cleaning Company here in Lexington, Kentucky. In today's video, we're actually going to show you some pretty cool before and afters. We're going to be cleaning some carpeted areas where the dog continues to mark around corners and baseboards. So let me give you a quick tour of that right now. Most of it is confined to the hallway, and let me show you that, guys, just a sec here. So as you can tell, this is one of his favorite little spots. And then if we look over here, we've got just little markings along the baseboard next to the bathroom. All of this stuff should clean up pretty well. We're going to use a mixture of different products and processes to make sure that we pull out not only the urine crystal, which is what causes the odor, but also to pull out that discoloration, that yellow tint that's on the carpet. So this previous homeowner this homeowner has actually tried some enzyme-based products, which is what we recommend anytime you have to deal with urine, and then followed it up with some over-the-counter cleaners. But we've actually given her some spot remover of ours that she's going to start 1-2 punching it in the future. So going forward with the protectant that we're going to put on here, she should get really, really good results on her own without having to hire a professional. But of course, we're always going to be there if she needs us. So what I'm going to be doing now is putting some of our specialty urine product on some of these spots. And this is what's going to dissolve the urine crystal to help us get rid of the smell. It also does a pretty good job of dissolving and changing the color transfer, the yellowing from the urine. So let's just watch that part of the process. So you can see the urine is actually starting to become dissolved by this product, and it's taking away the discoloration as well, which is good. That's what we're going to want for this homeowner. We don't want any resemblance of a pet even being in here because it just doesn't look very good. So that's kind of the very base product. Now there's a lot more that goes into the process. Obviously this has got to be extracted, it's got to be sanitized, it's got to be deodorized, it's got to be, it's just basically just got to be cleaned. So we'll continue to update you guys as we move through the cleaning process for this home. Alright, so now what we're going to do is start extracting these spots. This can be a challenging problem for the carpet cleaner when the product that they use works too well. Because if you can tell, somewhere in that area, we have actually treated it for urine, but the product works so well that now we don't know where it's at. So we got to kind of fill around and see about that. But adjust your volume. We'll try and edit it so that it's not super loud, but we're going to make some noise. So basically we're going to go through and do all of our spots that way, and then we're going to get ready to do a general cleaning with a disinfectant before we finish out the clean. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so here it is on a rainy Sunday, and I totally forgot to shoot the ending to that video. So I apologize about that. Just so you know, some of that footage was sped up to about 10 times the normal rate. We don't really go that fast when we're cleaning for you or for your home or your business or what it may be. Also forgot to shoot some before and afters, so hopefully the satisfaction of seeing some of that urine come out of the carpet did it for you. Anyway, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, see ya.